Hey guys, so today we're checking out the RedRock 4x4 Headlight Trim and Grille Insert Kit in matte black, fitting all 2018 and newer Sport JL Wranglers. So if you're in search of some small but noticeable mods to really make a difference with the aesthetic of the front end of your Wrangler, this is going to be a great choice to take a look into. So as you can see on our bright orange Wrangler here, this is going to add a lot of contrast to the front end and add a very sleek look. So if you do have a Wrangler that has a brighter color, this is going to be great if you're looking for that contrast, or even if you don't, you're looking for that sleek aesthetic and a different look to the front end of your Wrangler, this is also going to be a great choice. Now these are made of a durable ABS material, so they will be able to handle whatever gets kicked up at them while they are mounted up to your grille, and they will be paintable as well. So if you're looking to match any other existing color scheme that you have on your Wrangler, you are able to paint and customize this kit. Now this kit is also going to be attached by heavy-duty 3M automotive grade tape, so you can ensure that they are not going anywhere once these are placed on your grille. Now what I would like to mention is that these are only going to fit these sport models, considering that the grille does not have factory inserts already. So if you have a Sahara or a Rubicon and are interested in this option, I would just keep that in mind when you are searching around for grille accessories. With that being said, these are going to come in at roughly $60 for the kit, and I personally think for what you're getting out of this kit that is a very fair price. Now what I really like about this kit is the fact that it not only comes with the grille inserts, but it also comes with the headlight trim. Some of their choices are going to come separately, or they may just be styled a little bit differently with a gloss black finish instead of this matte here. Now other solutions for grille accessories will usually be a little bit more expensive because they are going to have a little bit more to the kit. You may see drop-in inserts or a full replacement grille. Now if you're looking to switch up the look but you want to keep it simple and you still want it to be noticeable, this is a great choice to take a look into. So install is going to be very easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Again, these are incredibly easy to install using that 3M tape. It's going to take you no longer than 15 minutes to do it, and you're not going to need any hand tools for the install. So speaking of that, let's jump into the install now. What you'll need for this install is a clean rag and a bottle of soapy water. So the first step to this install is very easy. You just want to make sure that the surface that we're attaching the trim to is completely clean. Now I'm going to use some soapy water and a clean rag in order to do this. However, you could also use an alcohol wipe to prep the area in order to install the trim. You also want to make sure that it's completely dry. Again, you don't want anything to mess up the adhesion process. So I'm going to start with the headlight trim. However, it is going to be the same process for the headlight trim and the center grille trim. All we have to do is just peel the backing of the 3M tape right off. We can line up our trim. Making sure that it's flush with the grille. Then once it's in place, we can give a good press, and we can repeat that process for the other trim. So that's going to wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos and products like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.